Korean Drone Innovation Showcase. 11 leading companies set to exhibit XPONENTIAL 2025, May 5, 2025, by Miriam McNabb. Leave a comment. South Korea's reputation for precision engineering, advanced technology manufacturing, and innovation will be on full display at AUVSI's XPONENTIAL 2025, where 11 cutting-edge drone companies will exhibit at the Korea Pavilion booth 1621. As the U.S. drone industry increasingly prioritizes secure supply chains and trusted technology partnerships, this pavilion represents a significant opportunity for collaboration with one of Asia's most technologically advanced nations. Korea Institute of Aviation Safety Technology KIAST leads the way. The Korea Pavilion is organized by the Korea Institute of Aviation Safety Technology KIAST, a leading organization dedicated to aviation safety, international standards research, and drone technology advancement. Led by President Ho Won Hwang, KIAST plays a crucial role in overseeing infrastructure development for drone delivery systems and supporting the growth of Korea's drone industry through various research initiatives. Featured Korean companies to watch: Synerex Inc. Precision Navigation Systems. Synerex specializes in high-precision GNSS RTK global navigation satellite system real-time kinematic technology, offering navigation systems with remarkable accuracy of 2-3 centimeters for autonomous vehicles, drones, and robots. Their solutions are compatible with multiple platforms including ROS, Linux, and Windows, making them highly versatile for various applications. Their technology is particularly valuable for drone operations requiring precise positioning and autonomous flight capabilities. Website: www.synerex.kr. Namyang Nexmo, a drone component manufacturing. As a specialized automotive and drone components manufacturer, Namyang Nexmo focuses on developing and mass-producing critical drone components, including motors and gearboxes. The company brings its extensive experience in precision manufacturing to create high-quality propulsion systems that generate the lift required for drone flight. Website: www.9exmo.com. Volland Advanced Drone Docking Systems. Volland has made a name for itself through innovative drone infrastructure solutions, particularly with its VLS Theo automated docking station for industrial and commercial drone operations. These stations feature autonomous landing, battery swapping, and data transfer capabilities, enabling continuous drone operations with minimal human intervention. Website: www.volland.com. Drone Formula League Korea. Competitive drone racing, pioneering the exciting world of competitive drone sports. Drone Formula League Korea organizes professional drone racing competitions that showcase both technical innovation and pilot skill. The league has helped establish South Korea as a leading destination for drone racing events and technology development. Website: https://dflkorea/UVSI. Drone Light Show Specialists. UVSI made headlines by setting a Guinness World Record in May 2024 for the most drones flown simultaneously, 5,293, during a spectacular show in Songdo, Korea. Based in Seattle with R&D and manufacturing in Korea, the company specializes in swarm drone technology and light show productions, offering turnkey systems for professional drone displays. Website: https://www.uvfi.com. Pernod Co., Ltd. VTOL, and specialized UAV manufacturer. Pernod develops commercial UAVs with a focus on specialized applications. Their product line includes VTOL vertical takeoff and landing fixed-wing UAVs, helicopter UAVs, and portable multicopters. The company's participation in major drone exhibitions demonstrates their commitment to advancing UAV technology for various commercial applications. Korea Pavilion XPONENTIAL 2025. Website: https://pernod.com. Daeung M&S Long Endurance VTOL Solutions. Daeung M&S offers multi-purpose VTOL drones known for their impressive 120-minute flight endurance and lightweight design. Their systems provide a significant price advantage while maintaining high performance standards, making them ideal for mapping and surveillance applications. Website: https://www.dims.kr/main. WFLO, Advanced Air Mobility Solutions. Specializing in advanced air mobility AAM solutions, WFLO has developed innovative maintenance technologies for drones and air taxis. Their fusion sensor technology can detect mechanical issues with at least 98% accuracy by analyzing electromagnetic waves, noise, and vibration patterns. The company has been actively involved in Korea's drone delivery infrastructure development. Website h://wefla. Corp Drone AI Solutions. BEI Corp focuses on developing artificial intelligence applications for drone systems, enhancing their autonomous capabilities and performance in various operational scenarios. Website h://file. Ninato Company Inc. Innovative Drone Technology. Ninato Company develops specialized drone solutions with applications across multiple sectors, contributing to Korea's growing reputation for UAV innovation. Website http://www.ninato.company/en/Astroxco Ltd. Advanced Drone Systems. Astrox creates cutting-edge drone systems designed for specialized applications requiring high performance and reliability. Website http://astrox default/en/. Why visit the Korea Pavilion? With growing emphasis on secure supply chains and trusted technology partnerships in the U.S. drone industry, the Korea Pavilion offers an excellent opportunity to forge relationships with manufacturers known for quality, reliability, and technological sophistication. South Korea's established reputation in precision electronics, advanced manufacturing, and innovative engineering makes these companies particularly attractive partners for U.S. drone businesses seeking alternatives for component sourcing and technology collaboration. The combination of Korea's strong industrial base, commitment to quality, and growing drone ecosystem positions these companies as valuable potential partners for American drone manufacturers and service providers looking to enhance their competitive edge while addressing supply chain security concerns. Don't miss the opportunity to connect with these innovative Korean companies at XPONENTIAL 2025, booth 2601, and explore the potential for mutually beneficial partnerships that could shape the future of the drone industry. Read more. Leveraging drone technology for medical logistics. Insights from Drone Show Korea 2025, the convergence of drones and AI heralds a new age. From the floor of Drone Show Korea, Korean Air to build urban air mobility and aviation safety hub in Busan,